Dear visionary business owners and cherished associates of Interactivecue, as the first light of 2024 breaks the horizon, it brings with it a canvas of new possibilities and a tide of transformative energy. This isn't just another year, it's a gateway to a future we will shape together with courage, innovation, and joy. Embracing change, crafting the future. This year is about doing things differently. It's about challenging the status quo and embracing new methodologies that redefine what we thought possible. Let's step into this new era with the resolve to transform not just our businesses but also our mindsets. Increased visibility in search results. When potential customers search for services that your business offers, Google local ads appear at the top of the search automation as our ally. Imagine a world where repetitive tasks no longer consume your valuable time. This year, let's make that a reality. By automating these tasks, we free ourselves to focus on what truly matters: creativity, strategy, and growth. Redefining digital goals. It's time to review and realign our digital goals. Let's not just set targets, but leap towards them with innovative strategies and actions. This year, let's adjust our sails to catch the digital winds more effectively than ever before. The power of digital advertising. If you haven't yet embraced digital advertising, let 2024 be the year you do. For those already on this journey, it's time to deepen our engagement. The digital world is our oyster, and it's ripe with potential customers and opportunities. AI, your business partner. Expect to see AI as a regular fixture in your business operations. From customer service to data analysis, AI is not just a tool, it's a game changer, a partner in your journey towards efficiency and innovation. Technology-driven growth. This year, we anticipate significant growth by integrating technology across all business facets. Technology is not just an enabler, but a catalyst for new opportunities, efficiencies, and markets. Focus on core strengths, outsource the rest. Identify what you do best and focus there. Outsource activities that don't align with your core business to experts who can handle them with the same passion and excellence you bring to your work. Efficiency redefined. Do more by doing less. Employ more people, leverage AI, and consider the potential of a digital twin to optimize operations. Efficiency isn't about cutting corners, it's about smart work that amplifies results. Content is king. This year, let's produce content like never before. Aim for 10x more. Content that engages, informs, and entertains. Watch as this commitment to content exponentially grows your business's reach and impact. Nourish the soul, embrace joy. Amidst all this growth and transformation, let's not forget to nourish our souls. Pray more, be endlessly thankful, and find joy in every little thing. Remember, a grateful heart is a magnet for miracles. Rest, rejuvenate, explore. Take holidays, explore new places, and embrace new experiences. Fun isn't just an escape, it's a necessary part of our creative and professional rejuvenation. As we embark on this exciting journey through 2024, let's carry with us a spirit of boldness, a heart full of gratitude, and a commitment to not just succeed, but to thrive with joy and balance. Here's to a year of monumental growth, deep fulfillment, and joyful living. Warm regards, Tapiwa Marimbe, Creative Director, Interactivecue.